Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. In today's video, I am going to do the mixing all my foundations together video. I am really nervous but really excited. If you want to see all my foundations mixed together, me applying it, wearing it, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. So I took out all of my foundations out of my foundation drawer, and everything I have is right next to me on the floor. I wanted to just say for this video, I know that everyone has their own things on how they do it. For me, for this video on my channel, I am strictly going to do just my liquid foundations, high-end and drugstore. I'm not including any type of cushion foundation or stick foundation. I'm actually thinking maybe on doing like mixing all my stick foundations together. I don't know if that would be something you guys would be interested in, but yeah, these are all my specific liquid foundations, drugstore, high-end, anything that is a pump bottle or a squeezy bottle. I have my bowl ready, and I am going to be applying it one half with a brush and one half with a Sephora sponge. I'm going to count as I go, so be sure you stay till the end of the video to see how many foundations I own. So yeah, let's get on to mixing. I'm a little nervous, but wish me luck. Okay everyone, so we are back and that took a lot longer than I expected. So I just got done doing the mixing process of all of the foundations. Comment down below if you think that the color is either going to be too dark or match me perfectly. I would love to know your guesses. So all of my foundations typically are more of a mattifying foundation, maybe with the exception of like one or two luminous finishes. So I'm really curious how the finish is going to be. And a lot of my foundations do range from very light coverage to very full coverage. So I'm kind of expecting this foundation to be full coverage. So we'll see. I'm a little nervous. I'm like procrastinating right now, but this is basically what it looks like. Oh, this actually looks like a good match. Ooh, ooh, yes. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I was literally saying to myself throughout the whole mixing process that I can't believe that I'm doing this right now. I'm actually in shock that it's actually a good color. I'll lower my ring light a little bit so you guys can kind of see in maybe some lower lighting how this looks. I'm not really noticing a little bit of a dewy finish. I'm kind of noticing it more of like a satin matte finish. So that is what one coat looks like. Let's do the same with the sponge now. So I lowered my ring light a little bit so you guys could see in some lower lighting how everything looks like together. So again, this is with the brush and this is with the sponge. What do you guys think? I'm like in shock right now that the shade is actually a good color. I was actually really expecting for this to be a lot darker than my skin tone. I am really pleasantly surprised how good this shade is. So, oh my god. This is insane. So I'm touching the foundation actually now and it definitely feels like it will transfer. It's not necessarily super dry. I think I might set this and wear this for the remainder of the night. I do have to go food shopping. That is pretty much what it looks like. I can't believe I did this. And we are back. I want to give you my final thoughts on mixing my foundation and we are putting this video to rest. I am like freezing right now. I literally can't wait to just wash off everything and put my moisturizer on and just relax for the rest of the night. So I legit put the Frankenstein foundation in a little tin. I really truly didn't want to waste it, so I have it in a little tin and I'm kind of debating on wearing this again. I am looking up close and I gotta say I'm actually still quite happy with how everything like it looks. I kind of noticed a little dryness like right around this region, but I feel like that can be very much salvaged for the next time I wear this with a good moisturizer and maybe a more hydrating primer underneath it. I'm actually still in shock that it didn't oxidize, it didn't get darker, which I was really happy about. I'm kind of seeing like actually two little bumps underneath the foundation, so I'm a little worried that I'm gonna break out, being that all the foundations, they're all different ingredients, those all different brands, so I'm a little worried. So we'll see, fingers crossed, that these bumps don't get any bigger. I definitely had fun filming this video, and I think that's all I have to say, other than I love you guys. Don't forget to come back to my channel every Monday and Thursday, and while you're at about it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. That is all I have. I hope you guys have a great night, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!